So this is the rear hub of a 2010 Honda Civic. It's really hard to adjust because of the position of the hole. You can't really get a normal brake tool in there because of the angle. So what you'll have to do is pop this out and then get a screwdriver and get in there and, you know, find it without the hub on, so that way you can figure out which way the adjuster goes if you're going up or down, because it's not usually always the same. And then figure out how to do that, adjust it back and forth, and then put the drum on, and then tighten it up all the way, and then loosen it up to where it's just barely scraping, and then should be good. Also, you're gonna have to find a way to hold this back, but usually what I do is cheat. I think this lever is garbage. I mean, yeah, it might stop the adjuster from spinning, but I don't really know how much it would spin. So I either remove it or bend it to where it doesn't keep this from spinning the way you want, because it's nearly impossible to have two things in there, to have one pushing this lever back and then one adjusting that you know, adjuster. So yeah, I'll show you, like on this side, which I was doing first, I just bent it back. I mean, some people might judge me, but that's what I did. And then, you know, I can get in there easily and adjust it, and boom. And don't forget to clean all your surfaces and grease them, so that way the drum doesn't stick next time. So start with this, clean it, and then grease it. Check everything, make sure your pads are good, and then when you're done adjusting, test it, make sure it's all good, and then that should do it. So great.